Hello, hello. 1 2 3. Hi everyone. So we have CPI coming in 9 minutes. Alright, so I'll start a walkthrough just in a few minutes. Wait for a few more people to join and then we can start. Just so we have 9 more minutes left for the CPI. That as well we have jobless claim. We have 8 more minutes left. So I'll show you a quick walkthrough. This is the game plan for CPI. Today's CPI and US jobless claim data. Right, we could have majorly 3 possible outcomes. Right? So yes, I guess 3 people have joined. We'll start the stream. And yes, this is a quick overview of the expectation for today's CPI. Majorly we have 3 cases, like we should have either lower CPI, higher CPI, or maybe we could have like similar number, right? So these are the 2 cases for 2 extreme points, which is like lower and higher. But yeah, we'll discuss on the expectation numbers as well. So if we have lower CPI, right, lower CPI means that the consumer which they are purchasing, we are the consumers, right? When we are going to purchase some stocks, itineraries, stationaries from some shop, we are getting on a lower price, right? We are getting it on lower price means in other words, we can say that lower CPI is that the inflation is low because we have lower product prices. It is coming from the top level of supply chain with a lower cost, since hence the manufacturing is getting on lower cost since we are getting in lower prices. That's why we could say that the inflation is low. That's why when the inflation is low, what could be the outcome of the lower inflation? The Fed could possibly go towards the rate cuts, right? Because the Fed have 2 dual mandates. One is to have lower inflation and higher job numbers, right? So when we have lower CPI, which means lower inflation, the Fed will go towards the rate cut backs, right? So in that case, if Fed officials are decreasing the rate cuts on the US bond yields and some on the interest rates which they are lending money, in that case gold will act as a safe haven, right? So that in that case yield will drop, right? US strength will drop. In that case gold will pump up. Similarly, the other case is like if we have higher CPI numbers, that means the number is inflationary, right? We still have inflation in the country. Hence, the job of the Fed officials is to keep the monetary tight in, right? So they won't increase, as they said, like it is already on the peak. So what could be the worst scenario could be that they won't cut the interest rate maybe for next 3 months, right? So in that case, gold will dump down. It will give dollar the strength, and also in the bond yields, and gold could drop down, right? So we have these 2 levels. And similarly, if we talk about jobless claim numbers, right? Suppose if there are less higher number of jobless people, you understand that here we are talking about jobless people. If there are more jobless people, right, so they won't be much salary they don't want have there will be more unemployed people. If we have more unemployed people, that means that we don't have much money to spend in the market, right? So in the other case, inflation, it is directly correlated to the inflation, right? We could see that inflation could go down with that. So same like that, it can pump gold. It will work as a safe haven. It will give weakness to the dollar and weakness to yield as well. In that case, gold will work in the opposite direction. Same like we have, if we have lower jobless claim numbers, means there are less unemployed people. You understand? We have less unemployed people, means we have more number of employed people. We have more salary to the hand. We have more money in the market to get spent on things, itineraries, stationaries, whatever it is. So that prices, demand would increase, supply could decrease, and we can see inflation, right, in the country. So in that case, our mandate is to keep the interest rate steady, or maybe they can go for a hike, but that is the worst case. They won't do that. That is not expected at all, right? So they will keep the interest rate for a fixed amount of time, and they'll keep it for steady. Hence it will give strength to dollar and to yield, and vice versa, gold will drop down. I hope you understood what I said, right? So you can hi bro. Yeah, Mr. Calvin. Hey bro, I was waiting for you since I didn't receive any message from you. I started the stream. That's funny. Hey, hello, what's up? So I guess you understood the basic point, right? What I explained you just right now. So these are the two cases, right? Lower CPI, higher CPI, right? So what if we get the data as expected, right, which in lines with the expectation? In that case, gold will continue to move in its technical direction, but always like after some manipulation, right? So let's jump to economic calendar. In 3 minutes we are getting the news, right? You could see that CPI month on month we are looking for, right? And we are looking for this one, excluding food and energy, which is we say core CPI, which excludes volatile prices such as food and energy, petrol, gas prices. So this we say core CPI, and we are looking for month on month, and it is like same. All right, they are expecting that it is previous the same month, and yes, the year on year CPI also, core CPI is aligning with the same expectation. Let's see how the data has come. If we are getting the same data, then we are favoring gold to the bullish side. All right, but yes, after some manipulation, right? And yes, so this is the target, all-time target that I have been explaining on my Telegram channel, that we are looking for 2420. Since gold is on bullish price action, right? If we talk technically, we can see that gold is on bullish price action, and after this consolidation we had a breakout to the upside, and again gold has started consolidating here. We have a weak resistance over here. This is 2392, and this as well 2385. So if this breaks, definitely we are going for 2400, but first we should target for this 2293 and maybe 20 pips above that, right? So this is the weak high, and you can see that gold is moving on a trend line since 2 days, and if we break this trend line and we get a higher CPI number, then definitely we'll be looking for sells in gold, right? And our target could be first target could be this support area, this area, all right, 2360, and then we can look for 2340 area as well, right? Yes, so all we are waiting for the news. Yes, the news is yet to come. 30 seconds. Sorry, I was busy. Yeah, no problem, it's okay. You're with us in the chat. That's what all matters. So what do you expect, Galvin? What could be the today's scenario? Let's wait for the news. Oh. We got negative numbers. Awesome. No manipulation, direct move to the upside, right? You could see we got much lower CPI, which is 0.1% as expected to 0.2%, and we got 3.3% as expected to 3.4%. We have much lower numbers, but on the other hand we have positive jobless numbers, right? We have mixed data, but if I talk about these two data, the most important one is the CPI, then comes the jobless claim data, right? The CPI numbers are the most important, hence we saw a quick pump to the upside, right? Awesome. Yeah. So the price section was telling everything. We were on the bullish hand side, right, since the morning. This was the area from where I missed the buy actually, so I entered on this area 23.70. Yes, let's wait for some pullback, then we can enter on some buy, right? We got the liquidity we wanted. To the moon. Yeah man, to the moon. Yes. हाँ जी, चला गया वैसे तो. So yes, let's wait for some pullback and then we can enter. Let's wait for some pullback. Until and unless this trend line is broken, we can look for buy setups, and at present our interest is on this zone, right? So let's get some pullback first. Yeah, waiting for pullback. Oh man, I think it's gonna take that 2400 area first, then we can see some retracement. There is no stop way through this area. Straight there is 2405, and then you can it comes this area. All right. Yeah, let's wait. If it tests this blue line, right, it's a support over here on a smaller time frame. It's the support, and we're just waiting for that support to be tested. Now it could become the resistance, right? I'm waiting for this one to be tested. Let's delete all this, it doesn't matter anymore. Yes. So I'm waiting for this 2405 to be tested, or maybe this area would be the best choice, like then we can look for sells over here, or else if gold retraces before this to this some area and on some rejection, I think we should look for buys and target this area, right? And on the other hand, if gold touches this area and this area first, we should look for some confirmation as markets touch a shift to the lower degrees, and then we can take our entries. Ultimately we should target 2380 as our first target and 2370 on the other hand. Did anyone of you entered after the news release, or you guys were waiting for the instructions? So did anyone is buying from here? Viewers, so that well, I have learned one thing: trading and news, though gold can move irrespective of if USD goes up or down sometimes. Siddharth, there is a tip for CPI news, right? Mostly, in my experience, I have seen 80% of the time, gold is going in one direction on the CPI news, right? Hence what we can do is we can use buy stop and sell stop in this case, right? The buy stop could be light, we can buy on this top of this resistance 85, sell should be below the low, and we could hence vice versa, we can use buy stop and sell stop in this case. If you would have used buy stop from 2385, it was clean 160 pips. So most of the cases CPI is one directional. You remember this point, and maybe you can back test it, and you can try this strategy out. Always I do this many of times, right? I have done this as well, that we can use buy stop and sell stop in CPI news. Only in CPI I'm talking about, not on NFP, because CPI is mostly one directional. And yes. Viewers, anyone from you have entered on buy, on sell, anything? Sell hit हुआ है आपका, buy में enter हुए हो, have you made profit, something? Really good explanation and levels taken good work. Thank you so much, Siddharth Soni. Yes, so we will wait for the levels. There is 2405 and 2412. Nothing before that. Let the gold fly. And yes, mostly we have 250 to 300 pips of move on CPI, and maybe on NFP as well. 200 pips is, yeah, one directional. Then later we get rejection. Let's wait, we'll see. This comes, here comes the 250 pips, and here is the 300 pips. So this is the range 205, 2405 and 2410 is the area where I would be looking for some seller tracing. But before that, just wait for confirmation. Let's wait. You're just waiting. Just what a nice thing. Oh yes, yeah, I think in 1 minute if we get some rejection like morning star or evening star. Okay, there's nothing to do, just wait. This could be one 2405 could give a 50 pips, maybe even 100 pips quick rejection. So waiting for this area to be tested. Otherwise, in 1 minute, if we see some candlestick pattern and maybe on some structure like this, with a small SL we can enter the sell retracement up to this area, right? So just waiting for this and this area. Let's wait. So gold is retracing. Okay, it is facing some rejection over here. So please stop the background. Okay, just sorry. Continue. Yes, I have stopped it. All right. So in 1 minute we have got some sort of rejection, right? And we can look for entries, but what I want to see is a test of this area, a test of and a break of low below this, which will support us to the downside, right? All right, so it is already testing a test of this area, a low of the break, uh, possibly a break structure, then a retest. We can sell and keeping our SL above this high, right? Could be risky, right? It could be very much risky because we have positive CPI, keep in mind, but only after confirmations, right? We are not going blindly. See, we got a breakthrough, we got a breakthrough. Yes, so our original idea was to wait for these two areas. All right, we had and low over here, right? So basically the idea would be now, no. So if gold prices break below this area, and yes, on some retracement we can look for sells. Again, it could be risky, and we should have a much tight SL on that, right? We would have 20, 30, yeah, 30 to 40 pips of SL, and we can target at least 150 to 200 pips, right? 100 pips is on is 100 pips is minimum, and then let's see how it behaves. We have a small demand order block over here in 1 minute as well, so possibly gold can reject from this and again test this area, then we can look for sells, right? Nothing without confirmation, right? No blind entries. ध्रुव मल्होत्रा, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक बंद हो गया है क्या? Did the background music stopped or how is it? ध्रुव मल्होत्रा, बड़ा सुंदर नाम है यार आपका, एकदम रिच नेम मल्होत्रा. All right, yes, gold is approaching to our resistance zone, right? Let's see. This is our resistance zone. From where did it came, I'll explain. ठीक है, यहाँ पे प्रीवियसली हमारे पास ये अनमिटिगेटेड सप्लाई एरिया था, ठीक है. यू कुड सी दैट जब हमारा ऑल टाइम हाई लगा था 2400 2450 पे, जब हमारा ऑल टाइम हाई लगा था, देन आफ्टर दैट वी गॉट सम सपोर्ट एरियाज फ्रॉम हियर, ठीक है. ये हमारा सपोर्ट एरिया था, राइट? यहाँ से गोल्ड प्राइस पर सपोर्ट ले रही थी, एंड आफ्टर मल्टीपल फेलियर ये हाई नहीं ले पाया, ठीक है. इट कुडंट ब्रेक द प्रीवियस हाई एंड आफ्टर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक वी गॉट द इम्पल्स टू द डाउन साइड, राइट? तो उस डाउन साइड का अभी तक करेक्शन नहीं हुआ है. ये जो इम्पल्स लगा था ना, लाइक व्हेन वी गॉट आवर ऑर्डर ब्लॉक ओवर हियर and we got impulse to the downside, right? So this is the order block zone in 4-hour time frame, and which is a critical one and could be an important one as well. So we are waiting for this area to be tested and some rejection. We'll look for sell entries, ठीक है. So ये पुराना order block है, ठीक है, supply order block, and which is strong one which led to the market sector shift to the downside, right? And still it is unmitigated one, it's a clean one. So hopefully we get some rejection from there, and yes, let's wait on this. So it couldn't be further magnified. This is the zone, right? This all together is the zone, and let's see how price behaves over here. All right, such a nice pump, huh? You guys from here, anyone is from my public telegram channel, have you seen my forecast for this week? Hamza Hassan, world class, thank you so much. Yeah, have you seen, anyone of you, have you seen my forecast for this week on gold? So basically I was having two areas for buy. One was this one, right, this gray, and another one this one, right? So this was the buy zone after this retracement, and the target was for 2410, right? I have the screenshot, but it's no point to showing here. Okay, so I'll delete all these things, doesn't matter anymore. Yes, so all the week the forecast was bullish, right? Since from here we were bullish, and here as well, and the target was 2420, right? So nothing astonishing for me, because I have been bullish, and I've been bullish on the London session as well, right? I was in the buy from 2379 and 2380 as well. ठीक है तो because see why I was in a buy, you have seen, if you have seen my yesterday's forecast as well, यहाँ से भी बाइंग का फोरकास्ट था, ठीक है, बट यहाँ से जो बाइंग का फोकस था वो प्रीवियस हाई के लिए था, ठीक है, एंड यस दिस, तो ये हमारा फाइनल टारगेट है. या आई डिड, थैंक यू सो मच ब्रो. सो yes, so did the focus in line with the expectation, the market price? Ehsan, Hamza Ehsan. So this was the area to buy. Why? And everything will come to the explanation later. I will go to the learning side later on, but first we should look for some setup, because we had a nice pump of maybe 300 pips. Yes, 300 pips. So let me book my some partial. I'll book 100% of my positions here, and we'll start looking for sells from here. Right, I'll delete this line. Nothing. Okay. One more push to the upside, and let's see. I want gold to push one more time to the upside, and then immediate market shift. On the retest we can look for sells, and it will continue like that, right? So this is a very strong area which I was mentioning, and it is a quite large area, 10 to 20. It's a 100 pips zone, right? So we can't enter blindly on that. We need some confirmation for entry, and yes, and it's a very strong area. Again and again I'm mentioning again, hence we can get, I think we'll get minimum of 100 pips rejection from here at least. So let's see. Obviously aligned perfectly with the focus. Thank you so much, bro. The thing is like okay. So yes, we'll wait. Do you have any more questions? Amazing, bro, you smashed. Yeah, Master Calvin is back, I guess. After some profit booking and filling his bags. Thank you so much, bro. Yes, I was on the buy from 2379 and 78 levels since London session, right? So the reason I was in buy, because this was a fractal point, right? This was a fractal point because you could see we had our previous this was a previous sort of resistance area, right? So price rejected to the downside again. It was order block area, so it was a fractal point for me because all this was a resistance zone. So when price break above through it, it was taking support again and again. You could see it was taking support and rejection, and again it confirmed the bullishness. So I was on the buys from this area, and SL was below, just below this low. It was a tight SL, and yes, the target was 2401, and it was beautifully done. All right, so I have closed all my positions on the buy side, waiting for some sell to happen. And yes, today is the CPI day, and it is just the beginning of NY session. Keep in mind that we can see market reversal as well, right? So don't be surprised with that market reversal, because if prices has gone to the upside on the beginning of the NY session, we can see a dump on the later NY session. So just be prepared for that. And if you're looking for buys and you have holding buying position, book partial and book maximum of your profit, and rest keep on break even. Right, I have booked my 100% positions with that, with 2401. Right, 2401 was my target. Yes, so I'm done with that, and then looking for some sell setup now. Okay, so we are facing some rejections over here, right? And yes, all right guys, so you can see that we have broke our major support on the 1 minute time frame, right? This is the support area, and prices broke below this area, and let's wait for some rejection over here. I want to see a clean market structure shift to the downside, then on the retest we can look for sells. All right, and ultimate target should be this area, or maybe 2390 as well, because this is our previous structural high, right? This is here our previous structural high, so we can target this zone as well, 2385. Just waiting for some clue and some clear price action. Can't jump blindly on the sells because the data are strong. Also the direction is bullish, price action is bullish, and data are favoring it. Okay, news retracement soon. Yeah, Master Calvin FX, I'm waiting for that only, looking for a news retracement, and that retracement could give us 100 to 150 pips, maybe 200 pips, right? Because we have a 300 pip pump, so 50% of that would be even 150 pips. And from here as well, somewhere from here it is. Yes, so let's wait and see. So guys, do you have any levels for execution? Do you have any price in mind that from where we can look for sells or retracement? You can share as well, and show me some guidance with you. All right, so is price is facing weakness, right? So this could be confirmed if you break at least this low, another low, right? If we break this low, we can see, we could feel this weakness in price. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं prices क्या कैसे बिहेव करती है. ऑल राइट, सो मेरे ख्याल से ठीक है, हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं यार, काफ़ी इंग्लिश हो गई है. मे बी यहाँ पे कुछ हिंदी व्यूअर्स भी हैं. एंड मुझे लगता है ये एक अच्छा प्राइस होगा, ठीक है, फॉर द बाइंग कंटिन्यूएशन के लिए. मे बी 1 मिनट का ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है एंड इट इज़ परफेक्टली फाइन, क्योंकि ये जो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बना है ना, ये प्रीवियस हमारे हाई पे बनी है, ठीक है. ये जो स्ट्रक्चरल हाई है ना 2392 93 का एरिया है, ये ऑलमोस्ट उसी के पास बनी है, राइट. एक मिनट, इसने 94 का टेस्ट किया, यस. सो अगेन ये बहुत प्यारी एक यहाँ से बाइंग बन सकती है, ठीक है, अगर यहाँ से रिजेक्शन मिले तो, ठीक है. यहाँ से रिजेक्शन मिले तो विल सी, राइट. तो एक बाइंग एरिया हमारा बन सकता है. ये फ़िलहाल सारे स्ट्रक्चरल लेवल्स हैं. एक लो है, राइट. ये लो ब्रेक हो तो प्राइस में वीकनेस दिख सकती है. रिट्रेसमेंट पर हम इसको यहाँ तक एंड यहाँ तक सेल देख सकते हैं. यहाँ से बाइंग के लिए कुछ देखेंगे दोबारा इन एरियाज़ तक, बिकॉज़ ये जो एरिया है ये अभी तक टैप नहीं हुआ है. एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सप्लाई एरिया है. प्राइसेस इनको छोड़ के आ रही है, हो सकता है दोबारा इस एरिया को टेस्ट करने के लिए जाए यहाँ से, ठीक है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है, प्रीवियस हाई की लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हो गई है एंड द वेट इज फॉर अ लो ब्रेक. यार साउंड ऑफ नहीं होता है, तो मैंने ऑफ कर दिया. ओके, साउंड मैंने ऑफ कर दिया है. हाँ जी, साउंड तो ऑफ है. ऑल राइट, तो यहाँ पे प्रीवियस हाई ऑलरेडी, लेट्स सी, देखते हैं. अभी तक यार ये जोन है ना 2401, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. 2410 20, ये टोटल जोन है. यहाँ पे टैप करता है ना और कोई हमें रिजेक्शन मिल जाता है, बिकॉज़ हमें यहाँ पे अभी स्ट्रक्चरल पॉइंट्स मिल रहे हैं. ये हाई हाई, अनदर हाई हाई, ठीक है, सॉरी हाई लो, हायर लो. एक लो अगर टूटती है ना, तो थोड़ी सी हमें वीकनेस दिखेगी, और मे बी हमें किसी एक रिजेक्शन का कोई एक रिट्रेसमेंट सेटअप मिले। ठीक है, जो असली जो मूव था वो तो बाइंग में था, वो हो चुका है, वो प्राइस दे चुकी है। एंड इस जैसे मेरी बाइंग थी यार, लेकिन स्ट्रीम के चक्कर में मैं स्टॉप लगाना भूल गया एक्चुअली। बाय स्टॉप, सेल स्टॉप, एनीवेज आज तो बच गया। अदरवाइज मैं यूजुअली सी पी आई में बाय स्टॉप सेल स्टॉप से काम करता हूँ, एंड वो आज रह गया। आई फॉरगॉट दैट। 385, ऑलराइट। यू सी प्राइसेस यहाँ पे रेंज करना शुरू कर दी। ठीक है, रेंज करना शुरू कर दी। इट्स अ स्ट्रेंथ इज़ अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस। Rarely it's reaccumulation, because accumulation and manipulation, but this is not the case of accumulation. It's a sign of weakness. ठीक है, तो let's wait for a structural low to break. Even in 1 minute, then we can look for some sell again, and I'm telling कि सेलिंग रिस्की हो सकती है 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में। ठीक है, उसके लिए तो एटलीस्ट हमें 15 मिनट या 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में हमें वेट करना होता है कंफर्मेशन का। बट लेट्स सी। देखिए 5 मिनट की जो प्रीवियस कैंडल है वो नीचे क्लोज हुई है। both are one is hammer and one is inverted hammer, so this is a very strong candlestick pattern। ठीक है, मैं जहाँ पढ़ी थी कहीं, जहाँ पे एक बट दिस पैटर्न इज आई थिंक फर्स्ट ट्रेंड। अगर इधर ये नीचे लो ब्रेक हो गया तो नीचे, अदरवाइज ये ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूशन पैटर्न भी होता है। अगर हाई ब्रेक हो गई, एक हैमर उसके साथ एक इन्वर्टेड हैमर। ठीक है, ये दोनों पैटर्न जब मार्केट में आती है, तो अगर ये लो ब्रेक हुआ देन इट विल गिव अ नाइस मूव, अदरवाइज इफ ब्रेक्स द हाई देन इट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूशन पैटर्न। ठीक है, देखते हैं 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में चलते हैं। और it is to for a break of the low। all right, all right। we have अच्छा जी, so we got our structural low break here with an imbalance, let the third candle form। ठीक है, then this order block area would be our entry and a sell off of the high। ठीक है, अभी तक लो ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है 1 मिनट में। we should wait for a low to break and then further action would be done on that, so stay tuned for that। anyone over here, कोई क्वेश्चन है आपको? कोई क्वेश्चन कुछ? if any questions, anything to ask, any feedback, anything is appreciated। the feedback could be bad as well, it could be good as well। ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। 12 to 13 members are watching the stream। I would really appreciate if you'll like the stream, ठीक है, and make it 10 likes to the least। ठीक है, if you can, yes, we I got 4 likes, just make it a complete 10। ठीक है, and 5, ओके, एक एक करके बढ़ रहा है। ठीक है, स्ट्रीम को थोड़ा लाइक कर दे, नथिंग एल्स। ओके ओके, सो यस 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे हमारा येलो ब्रेक हो चुका है, एंड आई वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड टू लुक फॉर सेल्स ऑन दिस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक रीटेस्ट। कोई रिजेक्शन मिले देन फर्स्ट टारगेट एंड द सेकंड टारगेट। ठीक है, ऑलराइट, this is the order block line। ऑलराइट, only for rejection, not now, don't enter on that। first we need to see some rejection on 1 minute। ठीक है, that would confirm yes ठीक है. See why I asked not now. We need some rejection candle like this. We need a doji candle, anything, but we need the 1 minute candle closing below this low again. ठीक है. So that could confirm this bearish strength. Otherwise it could be accumulation and this the low manipulation, and we have gone up above into this distribution area. ठीक है. प्राइस ने इसको टेस्ट किया है, इस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक एरिया को, तो हैंस दैट्स वाई इट इज़ गेटिंग वेरी रिस्की. ठीक है. Looking for sells now is extremely risky and we need strong confirmation and strong patience for that. ठीक है. The move which we have missed was for the buy, वो already miss हो गया, and there is no point to buy here at above 2400 level. It will be total foolishness, nothing else. ठीक है. ये बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी होगी अगर हम यहाँ से हाई से बाय करेंगे 2400. अगर आप स्कैल्प कर वो अलग बात है. ठीक है. 5-10 पिप का एसएल है, 15 पिप का एसएल है, बट आप ज़रा सोचें, प्राइस जब 2080 के आसपास थी, हमने वहाँ पे बाइंग नहीं किया, कुछ छूट गया हमसे. ठीक है. 2400 के ऊपर, 2410 के आसपास है, वहाँ से बाइंग करना इट्स नॉट रिकमेंडेड. ठीक है. फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर प्राइस यहाँ से 2420 भी चली जाए. ठीक है. दैट डजंट मैटर, बट इट्स अ वेरी बैड हैबिट व्हेन यू बाय एट हाई एंड यू सेल एट लो. नेवर डू दैट. ठीक है. नेवर बाय एट हाई, नेवर सेल एट लो on some special cases. ठीक है. We have conditions for that. ठीक है. This is not the time to buy, not the time to look for buy setups. Is the time we should look for selling retracement. ठीक है. After retracement, yes, it is done. You can see we have imbalance. Let the price tap to this imbalance and develop some structure. ठीक है. देन उसके बाद हम उसको बाइंग कंटिन्यूशन में देख सकते हैं, लेकिन फ्रॉम दिस हाई लुकिंग फॉर बाय, फॉर मी इट्स एब्सोल्युटली इट्स नो, आई वोंट रिकमेंड दैट. ठीक है. ऑल राइट, आई वुड डिलीट दिस लाइन. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास रिसेंट लो, 1 मिनट, जो हमारी रिसेंट लो है ना, ये बन चुकी है. इसके नीचे प्राइसेस को फिर से ब्रेक करना चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड दिस टाइम दिस कुड बी अ सेलिंग इंडिकेशन. वाई? बिकॉज हमारे पास दिस वाज द हायर हाई, राइट? यू कैन सी हायर हाई एंड वी हैड अ लोअर लो, but this time prices failed to make another higher high, right? This is the sign of weakness. Prices ranging. ठीक है. रेंज किया, लो लगाई, एक लो लगाई and made a higher high, made a low. ठीक है. and made a lower low. All right, now prices failed to make another new higher high and it is rejecting from nearby here. So if now we break this low, it will give us a clue of the weakness, right? And then we can start looking for sells, keeping SL above the high, but the condition is at least it should break this low. Alright, price is ranging, let it range. ठीक है. and price slow हो गई है. ये range, what does this range signify? That prices has slowed down as compared to the fast volatility. ठीक है. जो न्यूज़ था वो ऑलरेडी न्यूज़ मूव इन हो गया है, जिससे न्यूज़ प्राइस इन हो चुकी है, एंड नाउ इट्स द टाइम फॉर रिट्रेसमेंट. जस्ट वेट फॉर क्लियर इंडिकेशन एंड क्लियर मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर setups. Just patience, guys, nothing else. I use Forex Factory, FX Trade. ठीक है. It depends. Anyone else? Quick question, anything? Nice pump, right? I've been waiting for this buy since a long time for this target 24 10 24 20. ठीक है, so okay, people who are watching the stream, ठीक है, if you like my stream, you can share it to your groups, your respected groups, your family members, anyone who is trading, your friends, obviously, ठीक है. And if you have liked the content over here, you can give the feedback to me as well, to others as well, and to invite more people to join the stream, ठीक है. ये टोटल रेंज है, ठीक है. See what is said, like until and unless if you don't see any structural break to the downside, it won't signify the bearish strength in the market, and market just can move to the upside, and it can move to 2400, 15, maybe 20 as well, okay. There is no doubt on that, क्योंकि न्यूज़ नेगेटिव है यार और मार्केट इतनी बुलिश है, इस पे सेल ढूंढना बहुत रिस्की है. बाइंग तो अगर नीचे के जैसे मार्केट प्राइस होती ना तो इसमें बड़ी कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी, लेकिन इतने हाई से हम इसको बाय नहीं कर सकते और यहाँ से सेल नहीं कर सकते. इट्स जस्ट अ वेटिंग गेम, नथिंग एल्स. दिस वाज नाइस. ये सपोर्ट इतनी मस्त थी ना, ये सपोर्ट नहीं टूटी. एक्चुअल बाइंग लेवल वाज दिस, ठीक है. ये जो कल का ये एरिया था ना, ये बाइंग लेवल था. कल यहाँ पे प्रेशर्स ने टेस्ट किया है, ठीक है. ये तो अपने पोजीशंस को यहाँ से ऐड ऑन करने का नंबर्स था. एक्चुअल जो बाइंग यहाँ से थी, अलर्ट यहाँ से थी. एनीवेज, इफ़ यूल ऑलवेज फॉलो मनी मैनेजमेंट, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है. सो न्यूज़ तो आती जाती रहेंगी. न्यूज़ इज़ लाइक CPI विल कम एवरी मंथ, ठीक है. दैट इज़ नॉट anything new for this market. If you have missed the move, nothing to regret, ठीक है. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, इट्स ओके. CPI, NFP, हर कोई न्यूज़, दिस ऑल न्यूज़ आर अवेलेबल एवरी मंथ. वी हैव जॉबलेस क्लेम डाटाज एवरी वीक, ठीक है. सो डोंट बी in the FOMO stage. You have I have missed the trade setup, I have missed my profits. Think like vice versa, you could have made loss also today. So better to, if you are not clear with the direction, if you're not clear with the technicals, the fundamentals, better to stay away from the market as long as you don't see any clear price action, okay, nothing else. Because if you will stick to this market for a long time, there will be opportunities for you to make money. The ultimate goal in this market should be to stick and to be there in the market for a long time. That should be the goal. The secondary goal is to make money. If you are sticking to this market and if you are with the markets for the long time, ultimately will make money, right? Hey bro FX, yeah, Master C, man, how are you? Hope on to say hi to my bro. I hope you held those buys. I did exit and now with hindsight, it's okay, totally okay. I understand that, bro. Yes, I was with the buy, right? I got stopped out once, right? Because I kept my stop loss on break even. I didn't want to risk money before the news, and later when it came to for the support test I jumped on again. Now chilling, waiting for healthy pullback to buy or maybe sell all. Yes, definitely, right? Because that's what I was telling Master Pro. This is not the time to buy, right? The prices are already at the all-time high for this day, and maybe for this week also. Prices are at the high of the day. You don't want to buy from this high. At least wait for some pullback to this level, or maybe to fill this imbalance, and then we can look for the buying continuation. So better from here we can look for selling option, keeping SL above this highs. Okay, and just prices start ranging from here. And yes, typically I want to see a manipulation to the upside, and then a structural break. On the retest we can look for sells. Okay, this is what I want to see for selling criteria. Okay, this prices started ranging, consolidating now. Hanji, yes, Master Pro. Okay, they all are here. We have one Master C, we have one Master Calvin. Both are the masters of the market. Bro, guys, do you have any levels to buy or sell from your side? Buy high, sell low, no stop loss, full margin. Rookie error. Rookie error. By the way, what does this mean, rookie error? I didn't understand that, but might be that be funny. That's why you said rookie error. Master, see if you are here. What is that rookie error you was mentioning? To be honest, 2409 was a good for scalp with tight SL. Yes, but uh, that could have been absolutely risky for me as well, because since you can see the price action and the data anytime, for me the selling level is this one, this blue zone, right? As we know that this is the 4 hour order block area. Okay, this is the 4 hour order block area, and this is a very strong level. From here at least we can expect some good moves on the sell side. Okay, and to test maybe this highs resistance area 2390, and maybe this up to this area. But anyways, that's why I was waiting for some confirmation on 1 minute even. Don't want to jump on a sell. Okay, buying is impulsive stage of market. So what we did when we started, when price is pumping, we chase it, buy high, then get smacked on retracement. This is rookie error. Okay, understood. Yes, already this I was explaining that the pump has already happened. uh, those who have bought, they have bought from here, maybe from here, and this is not the time to buy. This is the time either to look for sells, and just otherwise wait on the sidelines and look for wait for the retracement done. Then you can continue your bullish side move if you don't want to trade this retracement. Okay, this was, that is why I said news retracement when it was there, but as you explained, no confirmations. Yes. 20 is my target either way, so I am not looking for anything now for 20. I must calculate my brother, my friend, respected sir. You two guys are giving me the company in the chat box. There's no one else. We three people are talking in each other. That we can do in Telegram as well. Anyways, brothers are there to support always. Okay, 7 o'clock. Stock exchange is going to open. Yes, let's again have a look at the data. Already, I think everyone has looked on that. There is nothing to show. Okay, I'll delete that and we'll focus on the charts solely. Master Calvin, that was not a joke setup at all. Like when I said to buy from there, if someone is a swing trader with that wide stop loss and that target, it was a fine trade. Who knows what's going to happen? Yes, we never know what's going to happen. And the way it is consolidating, it's accumulating. I'm just waiting for a manipulation to the either side. I want to see a spike to the upside and close below again this area. On the retest, we can look for sells. Nothing else. Just waiting for some selling structure. Trauma. Nice, funny man. Always man. That was a nasty buy on CPI. Okay, so we have 7 more minutes left for the stock exchange to open. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is the boring part of the market, right? Have to wait, have to show patience, and keep on waiting and waiting and waiting. Tough part it is. Share this chart with YouTube community. Which one you asking, bro? Must see. Which chart you are asking? The one with the long-term bias you asking? That one? All right. We are on the way of the on the purge of the spike. Okay, just a spike up, nothing else. For the selling, I just want a spike closing above inside this area on 5 minute time frame. Yes, obviously. Right. As said, guys, I posted the link here, bro. Okay, 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 nice one. Thank you so much. I think already have shared the link. Yeah, if you could share the link here in the chat box, that would be fine. I really appreciate that. I said right. Do not trust on this market. Yeah, this is the okay. And if this is the manipulation, if this is the manipulation, then we need a close inside this range, or maybe a structure shift to the downside. We can look for sells. Okay, okay. Link is not. And then I'll look to the settings. What could possibly go wrong? I don't know that why it's not working. Just wait a minute. I'll look onto the settings and come back. Let me see why you are unable to paste the link more. Uh, do you know where to look for the settings in YouTube Studio? Anyone can help with that? Because I don't know why you are not able to paste the link over here. Guru, chart link not working here. Just wait for a minute. I'm going to this some settings if I can see. Uh, is there something related to the link? Sorry, bro. I can't work with that. I'll just look later, and maybe we can come back later with that. I don't know why you are unable to drop 40 pips already. Okay, bro. In your zone now. Yes, masters. So it's in my zone, and I'm waiting for a structure shift to the downside, and then we can look for a long term, maybe of 100 pips sell from here. If we can break the structure to the downside and on retest, I'll be targeting 24.95 first, and then eventually 23.85 and maybe 82. Okay, let's see. As explained, if this is the accumulation, right? If this is the accumulation and this is the manipulation, I want a structural break and wait for retracement and then distribution. That would be the best sell possible. Otherwise, if that also hit SLs, nothing can be done, because we have done our best and waited for everything we wanted. Like, that would be my okay. Yeah, amazing class masters. Thank you. I'm learning a lot here, and it's not a joke. I'm serious. Thank you so much, bro. And it's my pleasure. Like that traders like you, if you're learning from me, uh, that could be a single bit also. Then that is a matter of proud for me, really. Thanks on that comment, bro. We can still get cells. Yes, Matthew, we can still get cells. ठीक है. The way I told, like if this is the manipulation, just we want a structural shift to the downside. We want a market structure shift, and on retracement we can look for cells. ठीक है. I want this here to be market structure shift, retracement, and then sell. That's the clean setup. We can look for nothing else, because now I'm very confident, because the prices has tapped to my zone. This blue zone was the borderline for me today, right, for the buys and for the sells as well. This zone was important to be tapped, because if it didn't tap that zone, there was possibility that it could have come back again for the retest. So now if it breaks the structure here on the retest, if we enter, we can target this and now this as well. Okay, so just be patient and stay with me. Let's see what we can possibly get from this. All right, so nice rejection over here in 5 minutes. Awesome. So on the NY Stock Exchange Open, we got manipulation upside, and then we are ultimately going to the downside. If you look at 15-minute time frame, prices has closed inside that range with a spike. ठीक है. 15-minute time frame. What's on the 30-minute time frame? Nothing so special. 1 hour time frame, again nothing important. Okay, we have the 4-hour candle closing, okay, on 24, and this is the new 4-hour candle, right? Okay, this is nice. So let's drop back to 5-minute time frame. We learn from each other, absolutely. Yes, everyone here, I guess they have some unique knowledge that they have experienced, or they may have learned from somewhere else, and we all have something new to explain to each other, and we should always learn from each other. That's how we will grow as a community. Matthew Cheung is a retracement. Are you trading on the retest of FVGs? I especially don't consider FVGs. I consider it, but only with the order block, right? That is an confluence for me, for the order block, that this order block is strong enough to give the reward from that zone. That is where I consider FVGs. Especially, I don't take entries on based on FVG levels. All right, so I think it's time. This is the time. If gold breaks this low, just we'll enter on that. Okay, guys, so I'm taking a risk from here. It could be early risk. Okay, entering on a small sell from here. You can enter now. Sorry. So I'm entering on a small position sell from here, taking a small risk. Let's test our luck, and I'm keeping SL at 23 2413. Yes, the SL is 2413 and the target is this. So this is setup for today. Let's see how it works. All right, so I have already entered on that. That's my bet. Let's wait for the setups to play. And eventually if this breaks, our ultimate target should be this one, right? This should be the TP1, right? This should be the TP1 and this should be the TP2, TP1 and TP2, right? So yes, it has started running. Let's finger crossed and wait for this one to break the low. Once we break the low, and that will be another confirmation for me that it will drop sharply to this area 23.95. Anyone with me, entered with me on this setup, please keep your risk managed and practice it on demo. As you can read the disclaimer, it's a 50 pips SL. Yes, it's a 50 pips SL, and keep your risk managed, right? You should read the disclaimer on top of the YouTube channel and in the comment section as well, right? All right, guys, it's in the purse to drop. Okay, let's pray together that gold should drop. Anyone practicing with me, you should practice under the demo account and just learn the methods, why it is working, why I've entered on sells and buys. Okay, this was the head and shoulder pattern, and I have entered from the left shoulder area. Just being impatient to break the low, right? Because I think if it breaks this low, there will be a quick movement to the downside, and might be we can miss the move. That's why I have entered with a small risk managed on my demo account and just practicing what we have learned. And this is a strong support. Gold should break this for further downside movement. Gold should break this for further downside movement. The entries have been taken based on 1 minute confirmation because this was our head and shoulder pattern, right? You can see. So I have entered from this zone, a sell above the high. That is our manipulation, and I'm waiting for the distribution, right? As I've explained, this is the accumulation, manipulation, and we're waiting for the distribution at NY session. This is sessional based trading, right? This is session based trade setup, and if someone has entered with me, it is already running in 46 pip profit. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay, 60 pips, guys. All right, that's good. That's good. We are on the 1 hour. We have reached 1 hour trade ratio. Now your entry should be at break even. This is the rule, right? As I said that if gold breaks this low, I think there might not be a retracement, and we can directly see this low. Maybe possible. That's not the case 100%, but that might be possible. That's why I have entered with such risk over here and managed as well. Okay, okay, we got a market such a shift to the downside, and yes, on the retest we are good to go to the downside, and we have already moved 68 pips, guys, ladies and gentlemen. If someone has entered with me from here 2408, we are running on 70 pips profit right now, right? It is more than our risk, which was 50 pips. It is advised to keep your trades on break even and do whatever you want with that, book partial and whatever you want. Must go for meeting now, bro. Yes. What happened with that? I'm unable to read the comments. Just my system got shut down. I'll come back with the comment. Yes, master. Sorry, but I received a call and I have feeling that I missed a very good entry, but more will come. No issues. Must go for meeting now, bro. And yes. All right. Thank you so much, master. C34. Thank you for joining. Yes, absolutely. We smashed the TP and it's 100 pips, guys. 1:2 hour served, and that's how it is, right? As I said, that we might not get a chance of the retracement, so better I take entry from here and see how market has behaved. So this is our TP1. This is our TP1, ladies and gentlemen, and that was so nice to trade with. Personally, I have taken entry. Oh my god, awesome. I'll come to you guys, just give me. So how was that? How was that setup? Anyone from here took that? Okay, bro, take care. Just amazing, bro. Excellent entry and skills to read the market. Thank you so much, master. Master Kelvin FX. Thank you so much, bro, for all this appreciation. We got 110 pips from that setup. At it was 50 pips, more than 1 to 2 RR, and this is a win-win setup, right? So 1 to 2 RR done, right? So do whatever you want with your money management, with your whatever it is, but yes, I have booked my profit here, and that's it on the retracement side. And I'll look entries. I have booked 100% of the positions here, to be honest, right? Because as I said, this is the bullish order block zone. This could be the possible buying entry from here, and that has given some sort of retracement. That's why I have booked 100% positions from here. Can't rely on the market as looking at the news, right? We'll practice a small buy from here. All right, so keep your break even, keep your runners running from here and book 80% of the positions. We'll try buy a setup from here if market comes to test, and we'll keep our SL below this low, right? Just on the retest, the price level is 2397.45, and again we can target this 2409 or 24010. Yes, and maybe yes, we can target this area, right? 2405 and 2406. It's just a scalping setup, not yet triggered, just waiting for the price level is 23097.40. Remember, it's a scalping buy, and we have runners running on the sell position, right? just executing the levels based on our education. Let's see how it works. Okay, so Matthew Cheng, you are asking if price were to retrace, where would you re-enter? Just hypothetically. Yeah, I understand your point of view you're asking. See, now we had market structure shift over here, and we had with this fair value gap, right? The way we say the imbalance, we created the fair value gap, and we have our order block here. This is the 5-minute order block zone, 2306. So typically I would wait for I'll just go on a fresh chart so that we can understand clearly. Yes, so here you can see that we have our market structure shift here, right? This is the shift, and this is the complete order block zone. But to be specific, if I would say on the extreme, this is the zone I would look for re-entries on the sell side. All right, I would look for re-entries on the sell side. If market retrace back here and give us some confirmation on the 1 minute, then I'll again look for sells, and this time I would target this low, because once we have mitigated this zone, there is no point we can test here. This is 1 minute order block over here on the chart, so I'm explaining over here. I hope I have answered your question. Okay, so our setup has activated. Okay, this is scalping buy on the scalping sell on the sell position, long sell position. Our TP2 for the sell is 2383. 2383, yes. TP1 is done. That was of 120 pips almost. Yes, 120 pips done on that. So again risking how much is it? It is 35 pips. Okay, again risking 35 pips from that profit in that buy direction, because our original market direction is on buy, and we are testing this 1 minute breaker block, bullish order block. If this level fails, very good as usual, Aswin AK. Thank you so much. Hey, Mr. ACFX, love you, bro. Love you so much. Very well explained. Thank you. You all are welcome. Keep it up. What about monthly? Yes, I'll explain on that later on, because for monthly, maybe gold is targeting for 2500. If I talk about swing trades, that gold is trading, maybe targeting for 2500. That's the monthly target. All right, so on the other hand, I was explaining, if we break this area, this green zone, if it is broken, I'll mark it as red or maybe blue. Yes, if this blue zone is broken, right, then I would look for a retest of this zone, and again I'm looking for selling continuation, because again this would be my drop best drop area. How is it? I'll explain. This was the drop. Okay, so till now it is working. Man, what it is? Why it is not getting? Yes, so it is in profits, right? What I was saying, right? If we break below this area, what market did? This was the accumulation, right? As I said, this is the accumulation, this is the manipulation, and this was the distribution. This price is distributing right now. Okay, so if I get a retest of this area, retest of this zone, TK, as I've explained, I'll look for some retracement, rejection, and I'll look for sells. All right. On the other hand, if this zone breaks, right, this zone breaks, Then I look for a drop and then retest of the zone, keeping the sell below this order block high, and I'll target this area. But this on only case if this breaks. But right now, as I said, that this buy is going well. This buy is going very well till now. Just let me check on that, how much profit we had made on that. That was a 35 pips SL. This is 2 RR done for this one. I'll keep it 16. All right. So how much pips profit we are on this? Yes, we are making 50 pips profit on that. And let's drag our TP to this entry point and keep it 2408. Keep it 2408, and this is 40 pips. We are already 1 RR in profit. Keep your SLs to break even, whatever it is, and just wait for 2 RR. And you can manage your position as you have rest all your wish. My work is done over here. We had got 2 nice setups. This is real trading, guys. I wanted to say you that patience pays off, right? If you have patience, if you have time to wait for the price action to develop, wait for the clues, you will get setups for sure. That is there is no doubt on that. But if you hurry and you take random positions on that, this and that, there is no way you are going to make money. Just let me take a screenshot on that. All right, so yes, guys, over there, what about monthly? I have received, I think, only still 10 people are watching, and yes, the likes target are complete. Thank you so much for your likes. We all are in profit. I catch the buy, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, so did you entered with me, or you had some special your kind of analysis? How is it, Master Kelvin? That this sell was awesome, bro. Master Kelvin, if I speak honestly, this was a wise decision to catch from here and not waiting for a structure to break, because as I was expecting that if we break the structure, they possibly I won't get a retest, and market directly could come to test this area, and this was a nice decision. Thank you. All right, nice. So we all heroes are on one side, and this is on 60 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen. So it is 2 RR done again on the buy trade, almost 2 RR, and yes, so rest is all your wish. So it's the trade is a win-win. ठीक है, the trade is a 2 RR done. Do whatever you want to do, man. ठीक है. We got 120 pips, we got 60 pips. It's 180 pips for now. Your decision making is very, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Going for retest, yes, it's going for retest, and possibly just that's why I elongated my target level. Okay, you can extend, you can book 80% of your positions here at 2408 and the rest keep at break even. ठीक है. Alif, assalamu alaikum, thanks for analysis, I'm in the profit, thank you so much. What your view, Mr. ACFX? Yes, I'll jump on that lately. Okay, just move on, we'll move on another chart. And monthly view is bullish, Mr. ACFX. The monthly view is bullish and the target is 2500, maybe for this month, or maybe I don't know. Okay, so the target is 2500 on that. I don't know when I've marked on all this. This is a messy chart. Just I'll remove 48 drawings. Nice, that's it. So the monthly target is 2500. It's a psychological level and it's hidden gem level. Okay. I won't speak on that too much, but yes, we're waiting for this, and that's a long analysis. I'll come to that later, but first let us handle some profit, bag some profit, and we can discuss the learnings later on. Am I correct, guys? Is it true? I'll delete this. Okay. Is it 120 pips? Is it 120 pips? Just let me see. Yes, it's 120 pips. All right. Nice on that buy. Awesome. I have entered on that buy. So yes, 2408, right? Okay. So this is how much profit, guys, over here. Again, some 100 pips is running. Okay. Our target is, again, we'll take, yes, 100 pips on that. We'll take 100 pips on that and we'll be done for the day on live stream. Rest signals will be shared on some other places. Okay, so it's running on 3RR. 3RR. All right, 100 pips. It's not accurate 3RR, but it's approx 3RR. TK consider it 100 pips because yes, if you consider the spreads, it's 100 pips. Nice for the day. Congratulations, thank you so much, bro. Anislan, I can't pronounce your name. Harman Habib, can't hear. Calvin bro is on the chat. He is not with me as he was busy somewhere else, so he couldn't join me on the live stream. Risk free now in break even. Yes, it's already on break even. The trade is on break even. He is not on the, yes, he's not on the call. It was amazing, bro. Next time we can do it together. No, yeah, for sure. No worries, we can do it for together. Thank you so much all for this appreciation, and yes, please like my stream if you are watching it, and please share it to your friends and family and other groups if you are in some groups, private groups, or maybe your personal groups, community, whatever it is. And yes, it has matched 3p3 TP. Okay, done. 3 hour done. So how's the day? See, we have moved this CPI, and our life has not stopped with that. We didn't die missing the CPI move. It's not like that. I have died with since I've missed the CPI move. I'm still alive with you and making profits. How? Just by waiting for my setups. Okay, so we made hundreds and 220 pips today without the CPI on just correction base. Okay, so this is today's learning, guys, that market is moving each and every time, being it with news, without news. So be patient with that, and stay calm. Try to learn from your mistakes and from the market prices. Hope so that today went well, and we will meet some other day soon. Just keep if you're new watching this channel for the first time, subscribe it and press the bell icon. You'll get a notification whenever I'm live, and maybe we can trade together next time. So till then, take care, have a good day ahead, and thank you so much for joining the stream. I'll end it here, right? So it's been almost 1 hour, almost 2 hour, and we have made the profit for the day, and we are done here. And that's it. So do you want me to continue, or how is it? Like this should be ended over here. How is it? There is no demand from the audience, so how should I do? Tell me. Congratulations. Okay, so I think we'll end the stream, and we'll meet some other day. Thank you so much, and have a good day ahead. I hope you made profit with that. See you soon. Take care.